मेरा नाम डॉक्टर रहीम उल्लाह है. I am graduate of Khyber Medical University. Then I have done my diploma in family medicine from Khyber Medical University. After that, I have done my CRSL course from Life Lahore immediately. After that, I come here with IVF Experts for the course of Andrology and IUI insemination here from HSA. My experience was very good, and I have learned all the aspects of intrauterine insemination like sperm wash, media preparation, and all the things which I need to learn. Now I am able to then independent IUI in all the procedure of loading the catheter and transportation of the semen. Thank you.